how to add or remove card on Temu. Now this means that you'll be able to add or remove an payment method on Temu. So before I show you how to do that, if you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified on our new videos. Now let's start. First, just open up Temu. Now after you've opened it up, let it load, and there you have it. This is the initial page. Now just go to your profile, that's you, and it's on the bottom. Now go to the settings on the top right and just go to your payment methods. Now there you'll be able to add or credit card or debit card. Now just fill in the details right here. Add your card number, your expiration date, your CVV, and all these, and just add your card. And then you'll be able to add a card, and if you already have added a card before, you'll be able to remove that from right here. So that is pretty much it. That is how you add or remove a card on Temu. It's really simple, guys. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.